Yo, what is going on, YouTube? It is Monday. No news Monday, actually, which is great as Hobbs tries to fix his headphones because he can't hear nothing. But I hope everybody had a great weekend. My weekend was pretty chill, filled with two crazy kids that wanted everything in the store and drove me nuts all weekend. But how was your weekend, Hobbs?
It was good, man. It was good. Did a lot of studying. My son cooked some garlic butter chicken this weekend that he found a recipe on YouTube. That shit turned out real good. Been watching Law and Order from the very beginning because it's like my wife's favorite show, and it's got 24 seasons. So we've been watching that from season 1 because we were in like season 24 or something. I'm like, bro, I don't understand anything that's going on. Like I understand every show is different, right? Like it's got like some type of different theme to it, but they all like it's kind of an ongoing show. So it's like, dang, like I had to go back and kind of figure out what the heck is actually going on. So that's what we've been doing this weekend. Other than that, took the kids to get haircuts, all the basic daddy stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Dope.
So, good morning, Void. How you doing? All right, Jay, you want to take us through pre-market plan?
Yeah, I was gonna say let's go ahead and get into these markets. All right, so on ES had that really nice drop on Thursday, and on Friday we basically recovered. We got over the 50% of that drop, which means basically the Bulls won and the Bears lost again. Go figure. Now we're looking pretty bullish, but on the way up on ES and NQ, we were creating these 30-minute demand zones. Like we would rally, we base, we'd rally, we base, we rallied, and then eventually we finally dumped, but we dumped right back into this 30-minute demand zone, and it's currently holding. Every single time we come down here, we're finding buyers in this 30-minute demand zone. So pretty much my plan is anywhere between 5248 and 5266. I'm looking for longs when we dip back into these demand zones because they're currently holding right now. I would much rather get it down in the 5226 than 5248. But, beggars can't be choosers as we're continuing to rally here. We do have yesterday's high of day that we need to be aware of for potential resistance coming up here. But overall, I'm looking for this 2-hour supply zone to be bearish and for us to reject, because this 2-hour is ultimately where the bears finally did bear things and sold us off. So if the market's going to remain bearish, or not really remain bearish, but try to get bearish, then they're going to have to defend this 2-hour supply at 429775. So that's where I'll be looking for shorts. But just know if you are in long right now that you could have some headwind at 52.72.50, just because that's where we sold off from pretty aggressively on Friday. So just something to be aware of. But other than that, that's pretty much what I got from pre-market plan. Just staying within this, I don't know, like 40-ish point range. So
no doubt. For me, on the NQ, let's see what we got. All right. I think I made a plan. I'm pretty sure I made a plan. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. All right. So overnight, we had the overnight session consolidated the entire night. So Tokyo, London, all we did was consolidate the entire night, right? And we did not create any new levels, meaning we didn't break above a high, we didn't break above a low. We just consolidated down here, which is very, very bullish, honestly. Like it's not a bearish situation that we consolidated at the low all night long, right? Like I feel like that's a more bullish situation than a bearish situation. However, the downside moves, the bears are still in control of this current downtrend that we're in, right? Like the overall trend is in favor of the bulls, but the bears are in control of the current trend. And as we come a little bit closer to price, I'll kind of share with you guys kind of what my thoughts are. But on the 4-hour, just like Justin is saying, it's that same level where all of this selling came in. We can look to short week rallies into that 4-hour supply zone at 18,479 through about 18,565, and look to target 1-hour demand at 18,190. I'll add to this, right? That not only did the bulls consolidate, did the market consolidate down here, but the entire time we were down here, the VIX was selling off, right? Which also tells me that demand was potentially created down here in this area, right? So for the bullish side, I want to see a retest of the 1 hour demand, right? I want to see 181902.25 through 18055 retested. This is the area from last Friday, right, where all of the rallying came from, starting that morning. So it looks like we're trying to hold this 30-minute demand zone. It's like a 30-minute demand zone here, which is fine. If the market wants to push from here, then I'll look to participate on some new levels that'll be formed from this area, basically allowing price to push away from this demand area and then allowing price to retest this area. But first, the bears have to get above, even before they get here, right? The market did break below a low on Friday, right? Friday at 1 o'clock, we broke below the previous low, which means even though this is an uptrend that's bullish, it's coming into a trend, right? It's coming into a queen that's bearish, right? So if you're short, if you're long, me personally, I'd be looking for basically a tap of the previous day high and or 376 to get short in this area. The stock market looks extremely bullish, so I'm not really in a rush to take shorts, but I do feel like it's the right thing to be doing up in this area. So I'll definitely keep my eye out for the shorts in this area. So those are kind of my thoughts on the market today.
All right, and then real fast, looking at the VIX. So to Hobbs' point, the VIX created this like 3 hour supply zone it kind of broke it, but I took this upper wick because we consolidated in this entire area. So somewhere on a higher time frame, this is all just consolidation, right? And then every single time, or it's one candle, sorry, but every single time we came up here, we've sold off from this area. So we tapped it on Friday, and then we sold off, and then like Hobbs was saying, we continue to sell off, right? So as long as we're below this supply zone, then the selling pressure isn't going to be there for the market, right? So if we're going to start to sell, I want to see the VIX start to rally back up into the supply zone and then hopefully conquer the supply zone. And then if we're going to continue to rally, then I want to see the market continue to sell off. And then I have kind of two areas, they're kind of side by side, so I'm taking a little bit slow, but this area, this yellow box right here caused a pretty nice reaction in the market before. And when we got below it, we kind of held, but we also have a 3 hour demand zone below that at 14.65. So I'll probably ignore this yellow box, but I have it just in case we do start to kind of like rally aggressively. But really, I want to see this 3 hour get tested if we do come back down. And ideally, even though this probably won't happen today, but ideally, if we're in this 3 hour and at the same time we're in this 1 hour, or I think Hobbs says the 4 hour, it doesn't really matter. But if we're in this area at the same time we're in that 1 hour demand on VIX, then that could be a really nice sell off here. But I don't know where that's going to happen. Who knows? I guess we're about 200 points away. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we do rally into this today. Maybe we do get some impressive sell off and then we get a bounce. Who knows? But in any event, that's what I'm kind of looking at for the VIX. Just those two levels specifically. So.
Yeah, Void, they did recover 75% of that flush. Yeah, I trust me. When I say I think bears can take over up here, I'm treading very, very lightly because these bulls. The bears had all night to sell this market off, and they didn't do it. Right? They had all Tokyo, London to do it. They didn't do it. Right? So, do I still think they're in control? Yeah, but I think that they're slowly losing control. They need to defend right here. Right. This needs to be the first defense here, and then or here, right? So I think this is a good area to short the markets.
What up, John? Good morning. What are you looking at?
Talk to me.
Mm-hmm. You just staring off into space. So I was wondering.
Oh, I'm looking at my other screen.
Oh.
the screen that you guys are on right
Oh.
now. Yeah, so my camera points this way. So if I look to the right, I'm looking at my right screen. If I look to the left, I'm looking at my left screen. So it's like rare that you see me staring directly at the camera.
Let's look at the tape. Let's see if the tape's got anything crazy out there.
I don't know. I want to see this. I want to see this selling start over here on NMQ. Then I'll look to short this market up here. But these bulls, they seem really aggressive over here.
Yeah, 18400 has 134 lots just sitting there. So hopefully we go back up there. That's almost high a day. So hopefully we go take that.
That's what I want. Nice. I want that. I want that previous day high. It's not high a day. The day ain't even started. But yeah, previous day high at 400 is what I want. Like I want them to consolidate here and then like rally aggressively to the high side to start the morning off. Now I'll look to short it.
Yeah.
That is my ideal trade to start my day. That's what I would really like.
Yeah, that's my plan as well.
That's what I really want to happen. Like I know this consolidation and I know where we're coming from a structural standpoint. So I want to see a major rally fail after this consolidation. That's what I'm looking for.
J-Rock in the building twice.
Huh?
John, he said good morning on YouTube and in the Discord.
Oh, I'm like, what are you talking about? Yeah. I mean, look at these 15-minute candles. The way we came up here, super bullish.
He said,
so
"Yep,
bullish."
Yeah,
so bullish.
Yeah. Today I'm trying out something a little new. I don't like splitting.
Like something new.
No. It's new. It's new in the sense of like tab new. Like,
oh, okay.
I don't like. I like having a full screen. Like I don't like to split my screen. Like I like to be able to see everything. I don't know. I just don't like smaller screen. Just makes it harder for me to see things. So what I'm trying out today is I got my execution screen is going to be on the 1 minute. I'm gonna watch everything on the 5, and then I have another tab to watch things on the 15. That way I can kind of see even a little bit more. So
you had your screen, you had your tab split before?
I had like a split screen between like the 1 and the 5, but then I feel like I miss out on like prior information. Sometimes I'm trying to watch because I don't want to mark up my charts like every little level or whatever. Not that there's a lot of levels anyway, but I don't know. I'm a very visual person, so I like to be able to see certain things. I feel like I miss certain information. So by having the tabs on the 15 and the 5, and then and being able to just tab back and forth, and then executing on the 1 minute on my Trade of 8 screen or my Topstep X screen, I think is going to be a lot better.
Yeah, 100%. I think you 100% miss out on a bunch of information if you're not looking at the full screen. That's why, like, if I don't already have my shit charted, it's hard for me to trade on my phone because I can't see everything that's happened before. But if I got it all charted and I know where I want to trade, I already set my alert from my computer, then I don't mind executing the trade. Because at that point, I'm not even looking for anything. I'm executing the trade from my phone.
Yeah.
But everything's been set up for my computer. But yeah, the way you chart should be the way you trade, right? If you chart with a full screen, you should trade with a full screen, in my opinion.
Void says 4 hour looks bullish.
4 hour looks extremely bullish.
Let's see.
The 4 hour looks bullish. The 1 hour looks bullish. Yeah, the Bulls ain't playing, man. Like, I don't know why people keep fading these boys. They not playing. Like they are. Did y'all see Bitcoin? If you think, bro, if Bitcoin is any type of hint on what we should expect today, I think all of these swings are in danger. Like Bitcoin is damn near at 73K right now. Like this thing is sending. So gold is sending. Everything's sending. Like the entire market is sending. So clearly they didn't care about any of that information that was put out last week.
Shay said, make sure you tell the kids to put the trash out by the curb. Please. Wait. All right, go back to 15. Yeah, we look pretty bullish. We're also consolidating. We've been consolidating all night, so we'll see what happens. Personally, I don't want to be. I can't be a bull in this area though. So I'll just wait. I'm definitely more of a bear, but that could change. That could change. See what happens when we sweep 1400, or not 1400, 18400. There's a lot of resting liquidity sitting there. It'll probably change, so I'm not too concerned about it. But if you look at it, 18400's got 136 orders sitting here, so it's probably going to change by the time we get up there. Maybe less, maybe more. Who knows? But that just kind of validates my area of interest even more, because it just means that buyers or sellers are looking to get active there. So we'll see what happens. Amazon looks like it wants to break all-time highs today. Oh, let's look.
It's only $1 away. They got 93 cents to go. Yeah, I'd say it might break all-time highs today again.
Let's see. I don't even. Oh, I took Amazon off my list because it was acting stupid. Let me replace, because Meta always has one direction it goes, and that's up. Well, except for yeah, huh?
I just don't think Amazon and Google just don't move as much as the other. Like Apple, Nvidia are the main ones that you want to have, but you should have Microsoft up there too. If I had to pick 4, it'd be Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta. Because I know you can only put 4 on that screen, right?
Yeah, I can only have 4.
Because Amazon and Google, like lately, they've been ripping and they've been running, but most of the time they be in consolidation. They be chilling. All right, here's that area that we were talking about, potentially acting as somewhat of resistance for price. Let's see what happens up here. I want to see a liquidity sweep get eaten up. We had a nice little push on the tape, but I want to see a little more. So I do think that this is an area where price could sell off, though. I'd much rather see that liquidity being pulled at 400 before I get active to the short side.
Is Microsoft still the where's their okay, yeah, 3.16 trillion on Microsoft, still the highest.
Yep. Highest market cap in the game, baby.
Yeah, we'll probably consolidate here till open, and then we'll probably take off. We'll probably try to run that liquidity.
I want to see that high ran. I want to see previous day high ran, and then see how we react when we come up there. I'm not long in the market down here. There's no freaking way that I'm touching this long. If you're not long already, like down there at the lows, you've missed this rally, right? So to be jumping in this right now would be a mistake. So I'm just gonna hang out and wait to see what we do here.
What up, Joe?
What up, Johnny? Nah, it's hard to be neutral with these bulls buying up everything in the streets.
I'm on the Bears team today. I'm bearish all the way. I'm shorting every single rally.
All right. Good. That'll be good. Maybe.
Hey, House, when do you have a grown man decide to be in your house, huh?
Bro, you see that big mother lover in my crib, bro? a whole ass man, and now my son.
Not the son.
He the tallest person in the crib now. He ain't number 13. He ain't even close to being done. Bro. He 13 and wears size 12 and a half, 13, bro. Yeah, his hands bigger than mine, his feet bigger than mine. This dude taller than me, bro. He
You
be like, Daddy. He be like, Daddy. He be like, Daddy, put your hand up. He be like, Daddy, put your hand up. Let me put your hand up against mine.
Oh yeah, that'd be the worst.
I said, bro, I still reserve the right to break a rib or two. Don't get it twisted. I still put you over my knee, young buck. Yeah, for now I can say that. I gotta keep putting that fear into him because when it's like that, the pit bull. You got to keep acting like you make him feel like he should be afraid of you because when he's fully grown, it's gonna be too late. Yeah, you got to shoot him at that point. Boom. At that point. Yeah, you too big, bro. I'm not messing with you. I'm just gonna shoot you. Don't even trip.
You said I'm just gonna shoot you, really?
Bro, I don't even want to tell you some of the stories my homeboy daddy used to do to us, bro. He chased us around the house with his rifle and junk. Crazy, man. Nah, but yeah, he in track. He run he do the high jump. He run the I don't want to tell you because then you're gonna be like, dang, you're not even that tall. I know you set me up. He tried to set me up.
Look, you know he
can't even get on all the rides,
right? You know he only 5'6", so it don't take much.
He's not 5'6".
It don't take much.
Shut up. He only 5'6". Almost time to get long on gold, I see. She's setting up pretty nicely. You see it? You see that pullback? I'm like, oh yeah. What? Oh, well, don't play it. Justin bowed out. He's like, yeah, I'm only playing AQ today. He got that licking on gold last night.
Yeah. I had the right analysis. I just had the bad timing. My analysis was on point though. This mistimed it. It's all good though.
Yeah, you and me both. My time was spent doing dishes. I was so mad at my wife. I was legit texting Jonah. I said, I'm about to catch a case tonight. I'm about to catch a case. You want these dishes? My alarm went off, bro. My alarm went off at 8:10, bro, which is 9:10 market time. Go look at gold at 9:10, bro. All I had to do was come in here at 9:10 and hit the buy button. That's it. I had already analyzed it on Friday. I told her, I said I was waiting on that trade all weekend. So I was so anxious to take that trade because I knew it was going to be a banger. She was like, I'm sorry. I just kept showing her the screen. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Bro, we do got a dishwasher. But when I clean the kitchen, when I clean the dishes, I clean the kitchen. You know what I mean? So all the kids, I mean, it was fair. The kids cooked and everything. So whoever doesn't cook has to do the kitchen, which is fine with me. But I told her, I was like, I'm about to go to my office. This is where I got bad at it because like I told her I was like, I'm about to go to my office. My alarm goes off at 8:30, and there's the dope. At 8:30, I was like, 9. It's like 8:30 my time, so it's 7:30 my time, so it's 8:30 market time. So I tell her, I said I'm about to go to my office and trade real quick. She just gave me a look, bro. Like you better get them dishes done first. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I was like, yo, I'm gonna just do the dishes when I come back. Like she was like, you know that. So I said, you know what? You want me to do the dishes before I trade? Yeah. Okay. Fine.
That was a mistake.
Boy, was it, Justin? Ooh, I was so bad. You know what I should have done? Hindsight being 2020, though. I should have just pulled up the chart while I was doing the dishes and had it on the cell phone stand so I could see it. You know what I mean? So if something crazy like that had to happen, I'd have been like, oh, that's the liquidity sweep. I gotta go. Let me go knock this trade out real quick. That's what I normally do, but I was trying not to even look at the charts until I came in my office. You know what I mean? But that was my prime time window, bro. I was like, come on, man. That's everything that I wanted to happen happened on that trade. That's why I was telling Justin when he took it, I was like, bro, you should wait for a liquidity sweep, but it might work out. It might work out. But when I saw that liquidity sweep, I said, ooh, it's time to get long. It's time to get long. And yep, it was time to get long. All right, bro. All right, man, take it easy. Yes, sir. All right, NQ again, tapping into that area. Like we said, that's the area where you want to potentially look for shorts up here. So there's the push down. by the sellers right there is exactly what you want to see. That's the exact scenario you want to see right there. See, we got that doji candle on the 15-minute potential evening star right there. Remember, we're coming up bullish, but we're coming from a bearish character, right? So just understand if you're in the market long, be careful up here because the market did take out this structural low right here at 334. It's not to say that the market can't recover and just rally right past this. I'm just saying. And now the VIX is rallying too, so be careful.
Oh, yeah, that consolidation looks like we could be putting in some new supply up here potentially. We consolidated there for like a good 15 minutes. Well, really longer than that, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We consolidated there for like 30 minutes. So
I'm looking at that area beneath us as potentially being supply, and this just being like the wick that starts it all. See how long we stayed down that area? We've been in this area since Friday. So if we come out of this area bearish, this is going to be like a 4-hour supply zone. Or
oh
yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like if we're looking at it on the 15-minute, but on the daily or the 4-hour, this entire area is going to be a supply zone. If we come out of this bearish, you feel me?
No. I agree. Yeah, because we just been consolidating over here.
We've literally been sitting here. Yep. If this rejects and we take out those lows, oh, this market's coming down, and it's going to be because this area was distribution.
Yeah, and this will be the higher low being put in on that sell off. We just gotta. It's just gonna be very, very key for us to break that 4-hour, because that 4-hour I was looking has we bounced there 6 times. So
oh yeah, that's
we're gonna have to break that.
That's a weekly demand zone right there, bro. Like that thing's not gonna go down lightly. If you look at it on the weekly, we like triple bottom down there on the weekly.
Yeah.
So it's a 4-hour to us, but it's more important than that. It's a weekly demand zone. So it would make sense for us to have to stay in distribution here long enough to take out that low. So what's up? What's up, Custom Barbecue? Said, what's up? Good morning. Sometimes trading on the West Coast can be tough. Tired this morning. Man, if I traded on the West Coast, I would only trade Tokyo and London. I wouldn't even wake up with New York. I'd be like, whatever, not getting up. I would only trade Tokyo or London. Tokyo, gold, London, potentially New York. I mean, London. And then if I trade New York, it would be in the PM session. Because the PM session for you is that's like 9 a.m. That's perfect. All right, we're getting this push down here to start. I wanted an aggressive sweep, which is kind of what we got coming up here, but I wanted one more sweep of liquidity. So like all of these people that are getting short right now, I want to see them be in trouble before I enter. So see what happens.
Yeah.
It looks good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the low.
Yeah, we're probably going to continue on this trend.
It's probably about to come get it right now.
No, Bookmap. Oh, Bookmap. Is your Bookmap glitching or no?
No, it's not. Oh wait, no, it's frozen.
Okay.
Oh
okay.
no, now it's going.
It's not just me. Mine is glitching out. I'm sitting here looking. I'm like, yo, what is going on? It keeps stopping.
It's just moving too fast. That's all.
I think so. Nah, even ES's Bookmap is frozen.
Damn. Nah, this thing's moving super fast. Nah, it's not frozen. It's just moving really fast. All right, I think that's the bell. Yeah, we're open. Been open for the last minute or so.
Yeah, we're definitely.
See what happens there.
Man, I think they're catching a lot of people who thought
just
that
tried to short that market.
Yeah,
yeah. That's what I said. I said I'm not touching that. I said I know what that is. I said that's the come on in. Yeah, it's good, bro.
Water's
it's good. It's good money down here, bro. Go ahead and short the market. Nope. Nah, I want to see you sweep the other way, not this way. I want to
The
see you go
walk
up.
is fine.
Yeah, come on in, bro. Short the market. You're good. Don't worry. You're not gonna get barbecue down here, bro. It's all good. Don't trip. Hey man, Johnny, turn up the heater. Turn up the heater on they black ass. We got him. We got him. They really think we're going down. Oh man, oh shit. Maybe we are going down.
It's like we still might, but those people who got in real early, they got
Apple. Whoa, yeah, this market's about to come down. Whoa.
Oh, is Apple? Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Apple. Good morning, Apple.
Meta. Hello, Meta. Oh, Apple. What is going on with the Apple? Is somebody suing Apple again? Shit.
Meanwhile, Google, Google's going ham to the upside though. Google trying to break some levels out here. Okay, Google, I see.
Google's running into 90-minute supply zone right there at 153.70. It's probably about to get rejected too. Let's see.
Probably. The rest of the market looks like it's once it gets rejected, but maybe it wants all-time highs.
Apple is tapping into 4-hour demand at 168.35 through roughly about 167.64. Nvidia is rejecting up here as well, so I want to see what they all do here. I like the way this supply zone, this area that we just called out, is working out, but I want to see a little more for me to take the short. Right? Like I love the fact that we're breaking through character at 315. We're changing character. I'm all for all of that. Right? I'm all with the smoke. I'm with the smoke. Just come back up and either sweep or retest this area, and I'll be good. The 60-point dump right there. That's no scout, baby. That's good, no scout, says Valdez.
Good job, Boyd. Boyd said, "Don't say that, Hobbs. I'm short." Good job, Boyd. Good job.
I think it was a good short. I thought it was a good setup. I wasn't interested in taking the first push down, which I think this is technically, if you look at it, right, this is technically not the first push down. This was the first push down, right? So this was another attempt, failure, another attempt, failure, another attempt, failure, right? At some point, we're going to try to break this low so that we can potentially break this low down here, right? So
yeah,
the market is bearish, man. It's bearish. Call it what it is. It is what it is. Right now, the market is, the bulls are struggling to get back above highs. They're aggressively coming back into point of origin, which feels like a trap, right? But they're not accomplishing anything at the highs anymore. And that's a sign of failure right there, right? Like that's failure. If you're a bull and you're in your weekly positions right now swinging, you should be very, very afraid of what just happened right here in this area. Because I mean, just zoom out and look at the 4 hour. This was looking extremely bullish, right? And now you're starting to see what it could potentially be, right? Zoom out to the daily, you'll see what it could potentially be even further, right? Because this is a daily supply zone, this candle created right here. We just tapped into 50% of the point of origin right there. So this candle coming down could be the death candle, right? Like this could be the death stroke the market's been waiting for. So let's see what happens.
This is not looking.
Yeah, this does not look good on the tape. Like this looks starting to break levels you don't want to see broken.
Yeah,
you don't want to see broken. Exactly. We're breaking through consolidation levels you don't want to see broken. Like if you're a bull, you want to see at least 260s, 271.0. You definitely want to see this area hold right here. Yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Yeah, looks. Yeah, we're coming to a lot of these lows right here. Let's see what we do.
Well, I mean the what I would consider what you consider the wick the low, the top of the demand zone is what I consider the bounce to be coming from. Like I don't know if we'll sweep the low, which would be dope. I'd love a sweep of the low, but yeah, we're talking about the same candle though. You're just calling the bottom. Mm-hmm.
Well, this is an area right now where there's definitely some stops on that previous rally. So
this is also 50% of that entire range from London right here. So
yeah, I'm curious to see what we're gonna do here.
Yep, me too. Shorts are good at the highs, but if you're going to be long, if you're long biased, this is where you want to be long at, right? Or you want to be looking to get long in this period.
Yeah, we're at the lower end of the volume profile as well. It's interesting. See if we get a bounce here.
It's
Not much to do, but wait.
yeah, just chilling.
This 1 minute's not looking good for them. For them bulls, like these bears about to come right back in.
Yeah, they want that that London low liquidity. Like Valdez is saying that the 246, 245 level. I think they want that level first before any bullish thought process can come into mind. Oh boy, they about to flip this book. Oh man.
Yeah, if they take this out down, if they take out 264 to 246, like you said, then it's
they need to take it out and close below it. But if they take it out and immediately sweep, I'm getting long. No questions asked. I'm getting long. I double dog dare you to do that. It's a lot of selling right now.
Go ahead, Void. Go ahead and eat Void.
Yeah, kill that shit, boy. This is a lot of selling up here, bro. A lot of selling. Woo. If you better get out them loans. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, we're coming down.
Oh boy.
Damn. Oh, the Bears.
The Bears are back in town.
We got 5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle is an 88-point candle.
That's the first candle of the day, bro?
Yeah, it's the first candle of the day. 88-point, full-body candle to the downside.
Full tilt. Somebody full ported this thing, bro. Guaranteed. That was a beautiful area, though. Beautiful area.
Yeah, we basically rejected the overnight high.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
But like you said, I was hoping we would sweep the.
I wanted us to sweep the high one more time. Like I wanted us to sweep one more. I wanted us to sweep up one more time. I didn't get it. I let it go, and market gave me another. That's 3 trades in a row. The market was like, should have took it. Should have took it. Watch. Now I'm gonna dump 200 points. Should have took it. 300 points. Should have took it. That's basically how I've been feeling all day. So I might just walk away from the market because I'm really being hot and bothered by this market today. This is like when you know how you miss one move and then it comes back and you be like, oh, okay, I can get in here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then you hold on, I like this.
Oh, you took it when we came back up and rejected on that nice wickety wick wick.
I'm looking to get long down here. Yeah, I'm long at 54. 54.25. Expecting us to come right back up. Send this shit. Send this shit. Yeah, I'm watching this area for a rejection. I'm locking in profit. I'm not messing around today. Today ain't the day to mess around with T Hobbs, baby. Marque. El Marquito. El Marquito. Pissed about that gold trade last night. Fucking pissed. Peeved. I don't even know what I was talking about before. I seen this setup and I was like, oh, shut up, Bob. Time to trade. Time to trade, baby. Sweat that London low. Got all that liquidity, all those stops right there. Put that doji candle in. I was like, give me that. Let's go. Yeah, guaranteed. It's like that Joker guarantee card. Bro, we might come right back up. It was go time. As soon as I saw that shit, I was like, go time. I just wanted to see the amount of selling that was coming in. I knew it was a trap. I was like, yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, no, I'm watching. I think it's over with for the Bears. I think that was just a clear of liquidity. I'm not, bro. I'm watching the trade. Trust me, I'm all over it. Man, I'm all over this trade right now. Shit don't bother me. I talk and trade all the time. You guys ain't used to that shit. Me and Justin do this shit all the time.
Yeah, if we close and break above 89, 90, it'll be good.
I'm not sure, bro. I'm long. I hope it was from the top. Off the top rope. Nah, I got long off that sweep of liquidity down there. I like what I was seeing. Yeah, I like everything about this trade so far. I just want to see us push. Think of all the people they just trapped on that break of that low right there.
Yeah, just be careful up here though. But you've been securing profit the entire way, so you'll be good.
Yeah, I'm trailing. I know theoretically I'm against the trend, but I do like what we're seeing right here.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna push up out of here.
Who said that?
What?
What was that?
What was that?
Oh, I think that was Pip. I think he said, "Take it, boss." No Diddy. That fuck came back in and said, "Hey, no Diddy, no sir." Right, I'm locking in profit. I'm gonna walk away. Go make my bed. I'll be back.
Yeah, we're just consolidating up here. Yeah, looks like we're gonna continue to push. There's a lot of volume traded in this area, so it kind of makes sense that we're kind of struggling here. There's a lot of volume. I think the market could be setting up people who are trying to get in short late. But let's see. Yeah, this consolidation looks a little bit more bullish than I would say bearish. So see if we get that pop. There it goes. Yeah, we just gotta get above VWAP. This consolidation made sense, and now we're pushing up. Could. That was a lot of buying right there at the high. But we're still trying to push up though. Might range until CPI. Yeah, that's definitely possible. Definitely possible. The Haze says, got my Apex account active. Let's get it, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just watching the market right now. We haven't really hit my area of interest. We swept that low real nice. Hobbs got in. He's printing right now. Just waiting to see what happens here. I don't really want to get long or short in this area. I'd rather just let the market make its move. So right now we're just consolidating here. It looks like a bit of a basing candle on the 5 minute.
15 minutes, deadly. I'm out right there. 200.
Let's go.
The 15-minute candle looked like it wanted to reverse on me, so I was already securing profit. I locked in 200 before I walked away. I wasn't gonna change it. I already made up my mind. So we rescaled. We basically pushed back into that 15-minute candle by about 50%. So this might be that might have been the quick scalp, and I wanted to play it for that as well. We did break above the previous high, which is good. So I'll be looking to either re-enter this trade or let it come down and sweep this low one more time. Active. Let's get it, boys. Let's go, Hayes. Let's go. What would Diddy do?
What would Diddy do? Wow. Wow. Wow.
have to tell him no. You gotta tell Diddy no. Because P. Diddy like to party, and you got to tell Diddy no.
Oh, I missed Custom Barbecue's comment. I didn't see it. My bad, Custom. My bad.
That's funny. That's funny. You got to tell Diddy no. No, Diddy, no. No. All right. Start the day off with a little bit of green in the bag, so that's always good. See if we can hold this area too.
Yeah, right now we're in 30-minute demand.
Yeah, I secure profit on the trade. Yeah,
it's an underlying reason.
Whenever Pippi says that, what he really means is, motherfucker, you sold. That's what he really means. What he really means is, why the fuck did you sell that? I know. That's what he truly means. I don't like what I'm seeing out of this 15-minute candle. I had already secured profit before I walked away. I wasn't going to change my mind, so I locked in about 20 points on the trade. I'm cool with that. I'm not going to be upset about it. Yeah, I'm more so concerned, for me, like I told you guys last week, I'm more so concerned with being able to lock in 50 points a day, because I know 50 points a day is more than enough for me. So if this thing wants to continue to push, so be it. I can jump back in. Yeah, that's what it wanted to do. It wanted to give me that look like, ha ha, you got out. And then Pip, of course, hey Hobbs, you got out of that? Yeah, Pip, I got out. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, all right. Haunt me. No, bro. No. Yeah, I know. They loaded him up. Look at the bigs dropping to the freaking floor. Jeez. 1553.
Yeah.
And you know, when Valdez say stuff like, "How's you gonna regret that trade, bro?" That means he got in long. That's what that means. That's what that means. And then what's up? All right, hold on, let me look at it.
Jesus.
Oh, yep. On the short. No, bro. Don't even talk to me about missing out. I'm telling you, bro, that shit rattled me so bad. Like I couldn't even trade, bro. Like I got up for London and I was just sitting there looking at the charts. I was like, I don't see anything that looks like it's gonna get me four grand. So my wife, I said, baby, you can't do this to me. You gotta let me trade, man. Said I've set up my life where I've gotten, out of the office at certain times, and I set alarms to go trade. When that alarm goes off, it's go time. No question. So she was like, I'm so sorry. Because, she can read charts now, right? So I showed her the chart, and she was like, I was like, yeah, this was the entry I was going to take at 9:10 when my alarm went off. It was at like 2024, bro. 2024, something like that. I got back in here. It was at like 2024. Gold ran to 2074, bro, like 2073. I could have literally cried in my car, bro. She's like, so am I sleeping on the couch tonight? I was like, no, it ain't that bad. But damn, that shit hurt. That shit hurt big time, bro. Big time. and I feel like I've been chasing that trade all day, so that's why I'm being a little bit cautious today, because I can feel my emotions being a little tilted, even though like I don't have a reason to be tilted monetarily, except for just the fact that I missed such a great opportunity. You know what I mean? Like it just hurts. It hurts bad, and I know like that can affect your trading. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll hang out. You know, take small size, scalp the market. You know, try to collect my bread little bit by little bit. I don't know. I was rattled when I came into the market today. I was super rattled. Man. I told her before she left. I said that shit fucked me up all night. I said I thought I was over it when I went to bed. I said I was not. When I woke up this morning, I was like, I would have did. You know how you do the. I don't know if anybody else does this, but when I miss a trade, right, I'll go to the replay. And I'll go to my entry and replay it from where I was gonna get in. And with my size, it just made me want to cry, bro. I was like, no. It's like a $4,000 trade, almost $5K. I think it was $5K, $5,000 trade. It was nuts. This does not look good up here at these highs. Oh yeah, and I have been planning it all weekend. It's not like it was just like a random trade for me. It was either going to be that 30-minute pop, or I was just going to wait for the sweep on liquidity, right? And when we got it, because Justin put his trade up, and I was like, yo, you should probably wait for that sweep of liquidity. He's like, well, I like the setup. I was like, all right, cool. You know, it is what it is. And then I didn't even know Justin got stopped out, and I just happened to get my alarm went off, and I checked my phone and I looked at the chart. I was like, it's time. And yeah, she gave me the look like, yeah, it's time to do them dishes. Time to do them dishes. Yeah, it hurt. Good morning, 40. 18,145 for me is an ideal point. Dang, you think we coming all the way down there? I don't know, man. These bulls look like they ready to push this thing right now, right here and right now.
No, I didn't get short. I'm waiting. There's nothing for me to do here. I'm just gonna wait until either demand gets hit at 206 or we retest. I would like us to come all the way back up and retest the point of origin where all this selling started first to look for shorts there. And then once if we break that, which we might, then I'll look for shorts at 408. But right now, there's nothing for me to do. I don't want to get a long or short in this area because I will get cooked. So I'll just wait. Wait for one of these two levels to hit. We don't have any news at all.
Today, it's a blank slate day, baby.
Today and tomorrow.
Just enough liquidity to fuck retail in half, baby. Gonna be cooking season in this area, bro.
What is SMB? What is this? I don't even know what that means.
SWV?
No, SMB Chairman Jordan speaks. It's Swiss bank.
That's not in this country.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. I was like, that's probably some shit some title that they have for him.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of the other country speakers are speaking today.
Man, this looks just like Tokyo did. I mean, London did when I woke up this morning. It was just like a back and forth battle. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just straight consolidation, straight sideways. I was like, so gold and NQ just not gonna move, huh? After I missed a 40-point rally, you just not gonna move at all, huh? All right, man. We'll watch some YouTube.
That is true. On the higher time frame, yeah.
Yeah, we definitely been in a range on the larger time frame, 100%. That's a Pippy's mic. Pippy, can you mute your mic, bro? You got all them loud mofos over there.
Just pulled into consolidation.
Yeah, man. That's why I said, like, just be careful in these. Today we're in a range. And like
Hey, well, that might haunt you.
that might be a mistake. That might be a mistake.
This is the one that's gonna haunt you, Valdez. All Diddy. You're gonna wake up to nightmares of Diddy haunting you.
Can't be worse than me, bro. My entry was at 254. I'd still be eating on this thing. I hate when we stall out on these 15-minute candles, bro. It just drives me insane. I'm just not built for it.
It looks like a rising wedge, to be honest, on the 1 minute. But I'm just gonna wait till I'm gonna wait.
It's real hard. It's like, I mean, it's something there. It's got a little something there. Nope.
If you squint,
I am a bull, but I mean, can you blame me in this area for not being bullish? I understand the high. I understand the thesis that the high to be bearish. I think that's a really good trade. I mean, we talked about it. I called it out, but I think if the Bears don't take the low, then it's just another opportunity to get long down here. I like 144, to be honest with you. Like what's the name is saying? Yeah, he's like, now I actually see it. I can't unsee it. Yeah, man. Yeah, the Bulls aren't coming out of this thing like you would want to see them come out of here, right? Like you would want to see the Bulls rip faces off, and they're not doing that. Instead, they're aggressively getting rejected by the Bears, right? Which tells me either the Bulls are trying to set a trap for more Bears, or the Bears are actually taking over.
Man, this consolidation is nasty.
It's massive. And if you don't get and I mean, you got CPI. Yeah, everybody got. You think about it, everybody is getting long right now or getting short. They got all of these massive targets. That's what's going to fuck up retail, right? Because what did the market give you Thursday and Friday? 200-point moves, or 300-point, 500-point moves. Today, all they got to do is not go anywhere. That's the one thing that'll fuck retail today, because most retail aren't trying to scout, right? Well, they are, but they aren't. Not in this small of a range, right? Consistent streams. Hey, thanks, NES. Appreciate you, brother. But like most retail are trying to take this long into, the next supply zone area, right? Like way up here somewhere, right? Which it could go there. But before it goes there, it's going to steal liquidity for those that don't get the right entry in here, right? They short too late, they long too early, they long too late. You're going to get smoked in this area, right? Especially if you're a momentum trader, right? Like that's exactly what the market wants. The minute the candle gets ripping, you get long or short, it's going to pull back. If you don't have a designated area to get long or short in this market today, with the volume that we're seeing today so far, you might want to have a plan. That's all I got to say. The market is about to be on demon time today. Let's check on gold. See what goes.
Yeah, I'll tell you what's not on demon time is CL, but then dump.
He said good.
418, Jesus.
Ooh, gold went to the dumpster too, but we almost to my level.
Google trying to take off though. Google's almost back to all-time highs.
Yeah, there goes freaking NQ.
Yeah, Apple's getting the bounce in demand, so
yeah, this thing is they're just going back and forth though. Like I just
yeah, but
we gotta either come out of this shit. We got to come out of this shit and just pick a direction. I'm gonna leave it alone until we come to higher time frames. I'm with Jay on this one.
Yeah,
I just feel like the market's gonna be on demon time in this area just because they know what day it is, right? They know what's coming, right? They know what's coming, so they're just gonna gather as much liquidity as possible. And to me, if it's not at a higher time frame zone today, I ain't fucking with it. And gold is much closer to my higher time frame zone than NQ is. In order for me to touch NQ, it needs to come down to 194. If it doesn't do that, then everything else is noise to me because I don't want to get trapped in that area because I know how I can get, right? Like, especially when it gets like this. When it gets like this is when historically I trade the worst, right? We go into this choppy stop and go, musical chairs type shit. The tape looks bearish, you know what I mean? Everything looks good and then it looks bullish. Like that shit don't work.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 206.50. That's the first level of interest for me. I'll look to see how the market reacts at the low of day, but the likelihood of me taking a trade at low of day is probably slim. But I'll look and see what we do there. Just because there was bullish activity down there, so if we come back down there, but I just don't want to get involved in this area. I've already calculated where I would have taken trades and what would have happened at those trades, and I knew what was going to happen.
Just having nightmares about what trades he would have took.
Oh yeah,
yep.
He's like,
that would have been good season.
Yep, I would have got stopped out. Then I would have gone long. Would have got stopped out. Good. So that's why I'm just sitting here chilling. There's literally nothing for me to do in this area. There's no edge for me here. Like there's just nothing. I'd rather allow the market to break out or sell off. There's nothing to do here. All retail's getting smoked in this area, trying to long and short it. We just look really bearish, and now look at the market. It's looking bullish again.
Look at Nvidia compared to Google. Like this is crazy.
Oh yeah, I told you Google went off. Google's going for its all-time high. It might not make it, but it's gonna try.
Oh, it's crazy.
But Apple's
crazy.
Apple's bouncing off of trying to get out of demand right now, out of its 2 hour. And Microsoft is looking kind of bullish as well. So with that, the VIX is also trying to break down as well. So if the VIX can continue to sell off, I think we'll continue pumping. It's not for me. It's not for me.
The what?
The solar eclipse.
Oh, there's a solar eclipse day. I think this is like my third one. I'm old as hell.
It's like an eclipse that everybody can see. Yeah, it is. It's not gonna be. It's
not.
Every state's gonna get some type of eclipse.
What time is it supposed to be?
3 something.
Okay. Hobbs will be in nap mode.
Yeah. Each state is gonna get different coverage. Like I think Florida's supposed to be like 90 something, but I think the more north you go, this would be good.
I should see it. I should be able to see it pretty good over here too, then, because I'm close to Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Kansas. I'm close to you too, but I'm closer to Texas.
They said this
Dallas is only like 4 or 5 hours.
Just so you know.
Yeah, Dallas is only like 4 or 5 hours.
Yep, this eclipse is going to usher in the end of the world. There was earthquakes in New York. There's supposed to be more earthquakes. Ryan Garcia was right. He was right. It's crazy.
Bro, what is Justin talking about? Another one of them days with Justin, bro.
Hobbs isn't into the whole pop culture thing. He don't know.
Speaking pop culture, I'm so not into pop culture.
Speaking of that, a Pip, if you're here, J. Cole came and apologized. Man, let's talk about the rally.
Oh my god! All right, can we just kick Pip out the Discord, please? Can we just get Pip out of the Discord, please? He's just gonna haunt me for the rest of my life. Hobbs, you in that? Yes, Pip, I'm in the trade. He said, yo, Hobbs, you cut that? Yes, Pip, I cut it. He said, well, then he goes, his response is, oh. Get out.
We still haven't really gone. We haven't really broken this level.
For my entry. I mean, I did collect 20 points out of the trade. I'm not really upset with the trade. 5-4. 5-4-2-5, yeah. Yeah, I know. I collected 20 out of the 30 that I was up. I was up 40. I collected 20. You know. Oh, yes. Yeah, no. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to put the mouse down today. That's what I'm about to do. Because the amount of trades, the amount of anger in my heart right now toward the fact that I missed that trade last night is just it's so high. Like, I felt so mad. Bro, I could have been done, bro. Like, yeah. Thursday, I think I fumbled a 500-point trade on Thursday. And then last night I decided
you couldn't even held it that long anyway.
Man, what we get? What we get? Like, he said we got a little bit of it. It fell 500 points. What we collect? 50? No. Jonah got like 30. I got like 50. And I let it go. I was happy. I'm on the phone with Joe. I'm on the phone with Joe. Like, man, I killed that shit. He like, yeah, man, don't rub it in, Haas. I'm like, it's all good, man. You'll get him next time, killer. Look at the chart. I said, oh my God.
Yeah, the chart called Hobson was like, yeah, you only got 50. Well, I had about 350 left. You'll get them next time, though, killer. You'll get them next time.
That thing dumped 480 points from my exit.
Okay, well, then you have 480 points. So you'll get them next time, killer. You get them next time. You die.
480 points for my exit. Baby, it's cool. Don't apologize. You good. Like, it was on me. It's not on you. You're not the traitor. Right? Like, I you know what I mean? Like, it's
consolidate. Consolidation station.
It's not on you, babe.
My God.
Oh, don't trip.
It does keep pushing higher. I'm not interested.
Yeah, we just keep putting inverse head and shoulders in. Just keep going higher and higher. That's it. This thing has no chill, bro. Jonah said, yep, I'll be waiting at the top. I mean, we basically just repeating what we did on whatever day we rallied. What day was that? Was it Friday? Well, not really, because we got that bullish candle to start the day. Yeah, Friday was just straight up bullish. Yeah. Bro, don't even get me started, bro. Don't get me started. Facts, bro. It's we miss trades that, like, we miss them for like crazy reasons. Like I missed the trade because I was doing dishes. Like, what the fuck? Who says that? Like, what? So you decided to go do manual labor instead of making free 5K? You couldn't stop, go put the trade in on, and then continue doing the dishes? Like, there were so many things I could have done, but I was like trying to be disciplined and be like, nope, the longer I wait, the better off, I'll be. Like, things will set up pretty nicely, Nope. These bulls are trying, bro. If you're trying to short at the top, I caution you. I caution you to look at this tape. The amount of activity that is happening to the bullish side of this tape is nuts. It was 117 watts.
Yeah, but they keep failing to push the market up any higher, though. They keep getting rejected every time.
You're not.
But we're not selling. No, we're not selling down either. That's why I'm just staying hands off. Like Mike said, I'm about to go for a run. This is ugly. If you're not scalping, 1,000%.
Yeah, this is ugly.
The hell out
you're
of
not a scalper. Range. This is ugly. Stay out of there. About this. Hey guys, what you been doing in this area? Just stay out of there.
What you been doing about this?
My stomach. Yeah, Valdez just came into the mic. Yeah. Don't trade that, y'all. Don't go in there. You don't want that smoke. No, I already decided I don't want that smoke. I don't know what you've been doing for the last 15 minutes. All right. He said, yeah, don't go in there. It ain't for us. It ain't for us. Yeah. I think he on Topstep, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and yes, sideline positions. You are winning right now. Facts. I'm just waiting for Topstep to change they mini micro ratio. That's all I'm waiting for. That's what I need them to do. If they do that, we're straight. Nah, 50. I don't need a 50K account trade in a mini. Oh man, this price action is horrible.
Shut up. Yeah, I'd still be in for about 50, 60 points right now.
All right, come on. Are we gonna finally break out of this consolidation or what? We've been consolidating for how long now?
Market's about to run, bro.
Probably.
This market about to go. And back down.
This market is trapping people left and right.
That's all it's doing, bro. It's on demon time, bro. Freaking demon time. All right. RIP options accounts today. Lord have mercy. Y'all wanted me to sit through this? Y'all crazy. I would have let me be clear. Even if I didn't sell when I sold, I would have been sold on one of these pullbacks. No way I'm sitting through this. No way. Y'all crazy. I mean, if Pip wants to sit through this, you know what I mean? Like, all good, bro. I ain't mad at you at all. This ain't for me. This ain't the type of price action I feel comfortable holding this trade. I don't care where I got in. If I got in at the absolute bottom, I probably would have sold as soon as we tapped 300. Give me that. Out.
Oh my God.
Look at this thing, bro. Like, this thing is back and forth, back and forth. All it's doing is waiting for liquidity, bro. That's it. It's waiting until it gathers enough liquidity to go whatever direction it's trying to go.
Yeah,
and I don't think it's up.
Down.
Yeah, and it might not do it today or tomorrow.
I think we want to come down, but
I think we want to come down too. The amount of buying that's happening at these highs and is not getting rewarded, it's crazy. Like I said, for me, it just doesn't interest me unless we're at a higher time frame zone, and we're not. So
that's where I'm at with it. We got to be at some type of key area or the zone, and we're not. We're in the middle of price right now. The price is acting stupid.
Not at either one. I'm watching gold for taps into 23.33 because we're almost at where I want to long gold. 23.33.4 is where I want to take gold long. It's much closer to a higher time frame demand than this crap. I'm not touching this. This you asking for Smoke City right here. Nope. Been there, done that. First 30 minutes, reset. Nope, I ain't going, bro. I ain't going. I can smell them. Straight fucking sizzle today, bro. Somebody getting smoked right now. Bro, I'm telling you it happens, bro. Yup, that's why they reset them. One day to pass, then 50% off resets. They like, yeah, I got at least 6 resets in me today. All right. Look, and you come back to the market, like the market conditions have changed. The market is in the same. It's on the same algorithm. Demon time. It's like, hey, set that shit to demon time until Wednesday. Yeah, I got you, boss.
Lord. Chicago.
Take that shit up to 5. All right, bet. Say less.
Chicago Sean says, top of the morning to y'all. That was a great top-down analysis video. It lines up with what I was looking for.
Hey,
okay,
let's
Chicago
go, baby.
Sean.
Let's go. Shout-town. Let's get it. I'm glad you like it.
Custom says, as a scalper, I'm even staying out. Just not seeing my plan set up. It's way too choppy for me for my taste. Yeah. This is not
cool
it.
With it, bro.
This
like
is
I'm
not
cool
it.
off this price action, bro. This ain't it. Even gold looking super choppy. Look at this shit. I'm over here looking at this because when you set a higher time frame demand, you just kind of wait for your price area to get hit, and if it doesn't, you just watch. Like Justin said, like you just watch and identify the areas where you would have took the market long. You're like, yeah, I would have got long there, smoked, long there, smoked. And my brain is just like, yep, smoked right there.
Yeah, I did that. I did that on the short. I was like, yeah, I'd probably try to get short at 944. Let's see what happens. Oh, knocked out. I was like, okay. I'll probably try to get long. Nope.
On a day like today, you need to have longer stops too, right? Like, and I just don't be interested in that shit. I'd be like, yeah, I'm get my money right now.
yeah.
If you're not gonna push it, look, I'm squeezing my profit out quick. Woo! There they go. There they go.
Just don't.
There go them boys.
Just get some continuation out of this area, please. Please. No.
Tell them, like, hey, what y'all think about this area right here? What y'all think about this, right? You think this got 80 weight on what the market gonna do today? Nah, man, hell nah. Market don't care nothing about that. Market on freaking demon time, bro. Period. Point blank. You say you think the market give a shit about this right here, y'all? No, not at all. Not at all. Bro, look at the 1 hour, man. Like just look at this thing on the 1 hour, y'all. Like let me zoom out for y'all. Right? Like I understand what people are seeing and they think it's gonna go up, and it probably will, or maybe it won't. But as long as we look like this on the 1 hour, I'm not touching this shit. I'm not. Like we're straight across. I'm just not gonna touch it. Like, and I'm not upset about my entry or my exit. Like, I got in at 54 and I secured profit at 74. Like, whatever. If the market wants to go further than that, I would have sold this shit. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. The way that I trade, nah, I don't like none of that. I'm impatient, man. Okay, as long as you know who you are, be that person. I'm impatient. If my trades don't work out right away. And then if I'm up 50 to 60 points and NQ wants to retrace 30, Hobbs is not going to be there for it. It's just that simple. I'm not going to be there. Oh, you going back 30 points? All right, well, you can go ahead and let me off the train when you come back 20. Thank you. Peace. Out. And I ain't mad at that. I'm still securing a 2-to-1 ratio. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good. Like, if this thing wants to continue to push, go for it. I won't cry in the car later while y'all not watching. You know what I'm saying? That won't happen.
That definitely means that's happening. Gary says, just watch an Asian lady had a tiny snake removed from her ear. I officially hate YouTube.
What is happening right now? Oh, instead of watching this market, he's watching YouTube.
I mean, when the market ain't doing nothing. All right, here comes a nasty push from the market.
These bulls don't care. They like, get us up there. Look, and then come the bears. Gobble, 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 gobble.
At every turn.
Yeah, this chop central, bro. They act like it wasn't even there. Man, he got changed. They said, bro, this one candle on the 1 minute went from 315 to 337. That was a 12 point. Wait, 25. Yeah. A 22 point candle. They took it all back in like 15 seconds. Oh, you watching it on? He said, I'm watching it on the 30 second. That's about, yeah. But we're sweeping that high right here, right? So let's just try to analyze this, structurally, because we can. I just don't want to. It's just so choppy that I don't even care to analyze it, but I will.
It is very choppy.
All right, so this is our point of origin right here, guys. at 3.33 whatever it is, 18,318 through roughly about 334. So we anticipate price coming back up in this area. That explains the sweep, man. That's exactly what I would have been looking for. Price sweep in this area, and now pushing back up above this high right here at 366. If we can't hold price down here, right, then I would anticipate us sweeping that high above 368, right? So ultimately, we're in consolidation, but it's bullish and bearish consolidation. Like, do with that what you will. Down here, we're extremely bullish from about 246 to about 236, all the way to about 190. We're extremely bullish. But up here, the market can't break back into that 400 range, which in my opinion is where it's trying to go. It's trying to go to 400. 408.75. It's trying to get back above the previous day high. It's just doing it in a very, very choppy manner. Extremely choppy manner.
Yep. Yeah,
it makes most people not want to be in the trade.
I'm looking for shorts up at 350 to 367, but
you're not. I know it didn't close below nothing. That's why I'm like, nope. I do not want shorts up here. Don't short this market up here.
Oh, I'm gonna wait for confirmation.
You better not short this shit.
Look,
it don't.
We'll see.
It makes no sense.
Yeah.
If it would make sense if they gave back like 50% of this, 70%, and then they started coming back down. But this thing is going straight back up, right? Every attempt. Look at the wicks. Go ahead. That's what I was just about to say. Yep. Smoke. Yeah. Fact. And now they smoked again. Yep.
Well, me and mine the shorts. Yeah, I don't never get into the short without confirmation first.
Lies.
I'm not just gonna. I'm not gonna get in the short without confirming it first.
Bruh. All your accountability partners in here are saying no.
I need to see a trend reversal up here. I need to see or some type of trap seller or some type of trap buyers or something. Nope. No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not just gonna jump in the short just because we tap in that area. I need to see trap. First off, we get above this level, which it looks like we're about to. Then we're already dead, right? Might be faster than 2 minutes. Nah, I mean, I'm just gonna. I'll wait and I'll see if we reject this, start to come back down. But right now it's looking too bullish.
Hey, Valdez, that's 100 points right there for my entry. Oh, I wasn't gonna short it. There was no way I was shorting down there. It gave me everything I wanted. I just couldn't hold through the chop. Oh, so what you're saying is at 5.4, I should have definitely held, huh? That's what I'm hearing. Oh yeah, for sure. You're an idiot. Yeah. All right, here's a tap of the highs right here. They're gonna most of the time when we come up here, if we're gonna be bearish, if we're gonna be bullish, the market will look like it's gonna be bearish up here to trap sellers, right? And then just run their liquidity once we tap the low. at about 335. So watch out for here, or they might not give a fuck. They might just run it anyway. Happy Monday, shop fam. What's going on, Yvonne? How you doing, man? Yeah, I think they're gonna run it. The tape definitely looks like a little bit of a falling wedge here. Like they're about to run this thing straight up. Ooh, the stock market is looking bullish as hell. Rally, baby, rally. Hey, Jonah, we still bearish or not? No, not on today. I ain't even talking about today. I'm talking about all that bearish shit you was talking last week. Yeah. Well, that's what I was saying. If we were gonna go bearish, we needed to take out 18,000. Like this was the market's opportunity to take out 18,000. If they're not gonna take out 18,000 and we're going right back up, hasta la vista. Say goodbye to the bears. That was their chance right there. They can't get it today on a non-CPI day. Whew. It'll be hard. Yeah, today is the day they need to take over. All right, here's a double top here. Let's see what the market does at this 65 level and down. Yep, running them. Run it. They running their ass. I knew it. I was like, they about to run this freaking liquidity. Look, they running their ass. Go ahead and get short up here if you want to. The market's like, get out of the way.
No. What there was what red candle did you see? I didn't see that one. I told you I wasn't gonna get short without confirmation. Told you.
This thing went.
No,
he said just making sure.
We came up there super bullish. I'm not just gonna short just because we're in the area. Yeah, I mean, we came up here super bearish. I knew even if we could start selling right now, and it's like, I guarantee what's probably going to end up happening. We just ran that liquidity. We're going to sell off a little bit, and then we're going to continue going up. They're going to make it look.
We're going to tap right back into all of that consolidation.
They're gonna make it look bearish, but this is nothing but bullish. So I just sit on my hands. I'm not gonna get long right here, and I can't get short. So just chill.
Nah, nothing. There's nothing bearish about this yet. The only thing I would say is the fact that nah, I got nothing. I can't even the only thing I can say is that the Bulls need to complete the job. I got nothing, bro. I got nothing. Yeah, 100 points. Yeah. Oh God, I knew you was gonna say that. Oh, shut up! Just shut up, Valdez. I told you I was tilted before I even picked up the mouse today. Oh, okay, all right. Here he comes. Listen, Pippy. All right, Pip. This is what I did. I locked in 20 points. I was in at 5.425. I locked in 20 points at 7.425. The market came down to 6.950. Kicked me out for $20, $200, and proceeded to do damage. Things I could have done better. Just set at my stop loss and let this thing go. You keep that correct. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing. Like I said, I'm working on like not worrying about like what happens in between the candle structures, but it's also super tough, right? When you're watching the trade. That's why I try to disappear, right? When I'm in the trade, I try to just bounce and just be gone. And usually, after 15 to 30 minutes or so, then the trade, usually has played itself out and you didn't have to sit through majority of that pain. So when I got in, I got out in the first 30 minutes. So usually within the first 30 minutes, my trade goes. But that 30-minute, that second 15-minute candle after my entry came all the way back down to 75 to take me out. And yeah, so it is what it is. Mm-hmm. There was that was actually five micros. So
Pip said, "Oh."
he said, "Oh." Okay, wait. Y'all go quit. Hey, hold up, wait. Y'all go quit coming for me. Like I didn't lock in over 120 points last Friday, right? Like I have held, but my problem isn't holding though, right? My problem isn't holding. My problem is my trades generally work out immediately. And when they don't, I get extremely worked up, right? And I know that, right? So when this wiki shit happens, right? Like from, if you look at the 5 minute, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, I'm not good at holding through that. That's the other thing that I got to work on holding through any conditions, right? It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter whether it chops its way up or it smoothly pushes up right away. It shouldn't matter. The only thing that should matter is when I put the trade on, did my stop loss get hit or did my entry get hit? Or did my exit get hit? If those things didn't happen, then I shouldn't be selling. And I know that. I know that that's ruining my R&R. I get yelled at by TradeZilla, right, for not taking profits when the reality is it wasn't time to take profits. I should have let it go because my target was the high, right? I said my target's going to be the high, 363. So my target would have been very, very much secured. So I'm working on it, man. I'm a work in progress. You shut up, Valdez. I'm just yelling at Valdez right now. He said that ain't got nothing to do with today. Yeah, it was a beautiful entry. It was based off everything that you and I have been talking about. Because Valdez had basically called out the trade anyway, and I knew that's where I wanted to trade too. It was the sweep of the London and Tokyo low, right? I was looking to get in at 5.9, but I waited for us to sweep the liquidity at 4.7. Once we swept the liquidity at 4.7, I said, okay, all I need now is a doji candle print. As soon as we got the doji candle on the 1 minute, I was in, right? There was no question. As soon as that candle closed, I was like, I'm in. And I got in at 254 and I put my stops below the low, which would have been roughly about 10 or 15 point stop, which means I was risking $150 to make easily 1,000, right? Which is a 10-to-1 R&R, and I ruined it for a 2-to-1. So will it haunt me? No, I'm taking it as a learning lesson because either way it go, I wasn't taking that money home. I'm in a combine account, right? Like it's a lesson, right? But it ain't gonna kill me. Ultimately, yesterday killed me much worse than today. I love you, babe. she in the chat. Yep, that made sense. You just needed to be in. Yapping my gums, Golden took the fuck off. God dang it. Gold is just not my friend today. Yo. What the fuck? Yeah, I've just decided I'm done with London. Like I just don't want to trade London. I don't want to get up that early anymore. I decided I'm done with London and I'm only trading 2 sessions. And it's Tokyo, gold for Tokyo, gold in Tokyo, because that I'm awake, my brain is working, right? Like I'm good. I have a plan that I've been working on. I've already done my analysis, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna trade gold at 9:30, and I'm gonna be done trading for the night. And then I'm gonna trade the New York session, but I'll trade it early, right? Like I'll get up at like 5, 6 o'clock, right? To try to catch those morning lows or highs being put in. But yeah, I think I'm done with London. It's just my brain just doesn't operate properly during the London session. Like I'm just too foggy. I'd rather just sleep and then be ready for, because the thing is when London moves, I'm happy I woke up. Like my adrenaline's pumping, I'm good. But like today when I woke up and like I sat through London doing nothing but thinking about missing out on that gold trade, like it wasn't ideal for my psyche. I was just like, okay, London, you about to get X-nayed. But I do fuck with Tokyo. Only on gold. Basically, I'm only trading NQ during the New York session and probably just the PM session. All right, we're rejecting this high up here. Go ahead. Yeah. We're rejecting the high up here, but again, just like we were talking about, the market looking super bearish up here, but hasn't accomplished anything yet. So until we take out that low down there at 327, I would expect this to be somewhat of a double bottom, because this is basically the first real pullback after a nice trending market went up. Damn, I'm super sad looking at my previous entry. Oh. Walk away, Hobbs. Walk away. Walk away. I love London. It's 9 a.m. for me. Yeah, Cordy, that works for you. I'm just remaining quiet today. Don't, baby. You're fine. You're fine. Like I said, yes, you made me go do the dishes and missed out on $5,000, but at least we have love. All we got is love, baby. That's all we got is our love. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know about that.
You said it, not me, Valdez.
5K, bro. 5K. And that was the take profit joint, too.
You could have paid for like 5 new dishwashers.
Yeah, well, it would have been a 2K day for me. So.
Now the question is, do we come back up, retest, and fail, or do we blow right past all of this? That's the question.
We're coming back up.
The question wasn't if we come back up. The question is, do we come back up and blow through all this, or do we come back up and fail? Are you going to blow it, Valdez?
Whoa. What is happening, Justin? Put this man on timeout, yo.
I get one moment at all Diddy.
All Diddy.
All Diddy.
Man, he promoting Diddy kind of heavy today, ain't he?
Oh man.
Yeah. All right, rejecting here. I'm looking for long. Oh, excuse me. I'm looking to long the market between 320 and 295. I want pullbacks back into that area, back into where all of that consolidation started that rip. That's what I want. This is a day where I stay away from shorts. The VIX is falling. The market's pumping. Yeah, unless we come to one of that, if we come up to 400 or that next supply zone up there, then I'll be interested. But yeah. There's the aggressive liquidity being put on the tape, making it out. All right. All we have is love. They laughing. I know, right? Yeah, I mean, what am I supposed to say, man? What y'all want me to say live on YouTube, right? What y'all want me to say? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Tell us how you really feel.
Yeah, what y'all want me really to say? What can I say? Hey, I did the dishes. Kitchen's clean. Clorox countertops, scrub them down, you know.
That was the most expensive cleaning of your life.
Yep. Shine that faucet, baby. Faucet is spit shine. Good. We did it together too. She was like, man, I ain't seen you in the kitchen cleaning in a long time. I was like, yeah, baby, anything for you. Even missing out on 5K. Wink, wink, wink. Yeah. I told her I walked into the office to try to wait for a pullback, and I just watched go like 40 points, like 20 points right in my face. I said, I got up out of the office. I said, I'm on tilt. She's like, what? I was like, I ain't even take a trade. I'm on tilt. So I don't even know how that happens, but I just experienced it.
All right, here comes the market. About to come right back up.
Yeah, I want to see us sweep this area though. I want to see us come down a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper. Beep, beep. Yeah, I'm getting the entries. I'm getting the targets. I'm getting the analysis. Everything is on point. I just got to hold. Like, that's my last little criteria. Like, that's it. Like, just hold the damn trade. Like, that's it. There ain't nothing else for me to do at this point. Last week, I did good. Jonah commended me because I held through much worse than this chop last week. I didn't hold it as long as I should have, but the amount of chop that I held through last week, I was proud. And on Friday, I held through chop and a massive pullback, and I added to the position. So I'm definitely getting better. It's just, I don't know, man. I don't know what it is about the New York session. It just looks much scarier in the AM. Shorter. Yeah. Yep. No, I agree with you. And that's what I gotta like mentally keep telling myself is you could either continue to be like, oh, I'm gonna get in again, I'm gonna re-enter, or you could just enter one time, take one trade and be done. What do you need to enter again for? You're up 100. James says, yo, Hobbs, were you low-key mad at her? This is a safe space. I'm not saying this is not a safe space. My wife is in the Discord and she on YouTube. This is not a safe space.
Yeah, so I'll say it for him. He was hurt. I don't think he was mad. He was a little hurt though. Definitely.
I texted every one of my accountability and like close trading buddies. All y'all got a text last night. Justin got a text. Hippie got a text. Jonah got a text. Everybody got a text last night. Help me, bro. Help me. I'm about to catch a case. Love pays the bills. Love does the dishes. Love will keep you on the fries. No, I'm saying I text you. I was going to text you. Best believe you was next. But when I looked down at my phone, you had texted me. I was like, well, you couldn't have better timing, buddy. You couldn't have better timing. Yeah, look, the fucked up part is what you text me. He was like, go 9:30, check. I was like, nah. Like, nah, whatever. Whatever, fool. It'll tell me about my time. Like, I don't know. Yeah, I know, Jonah. Guess who wasn't in the trade? This guy. I was sick, bro. Sick. Absolutely sick. Not funny.
It was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Pretty funny.
What
do you want to do up here?
Yeah, meanwhile, we're still doing our thing on oh god, the gold rally. No, I think gold still has some more to come down. I'm watching it on my other tab. I really want it to come down some more. I just want to tap into 2330 and then just go for a ridiculous rally. I'm gonna get that trade. It's gonna give me my same trade. I'm on a revenge tour for gold.
Oh Lord.
full boat, baby. Full boat.
Here come the buyers.
This market.
Oh, okay. What is your intention?
Long, Justin. We've been telling you since the bottom. It's going up, baby. They going up.
I'm finding it going up.
Going up on a Tuesday. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get my pullback in the 320. That's about 40 points away at this point. It'd be unhealthy. See what happens at the next junction.
Yeah, if you get a pullback, that's not a pullback no more.
Yeah, now that we put this low in, it's not. But if this high fails to make a new high, we can still pull back on the 5 minute. I'd still be okay with a pullback on the 5. Because this is the validated low down here. Until this high gets put in above 375, I'm okay with price coming back to 320. I don't think it will, but I'd be okay with it. Bro, Google has left the building. The building. Oh, let me piss myself off some more for the 9 EMA here. See what
Nah, I don't think you'd be mad. Well, I don't know. Maybe if you look at it on the 15 or like the 5, you might be able to.
He said, maybe you will be pissed off, but because I don't know. You know what? Ultimately, I don't even care. I'm turning this shit off. Because ultimately, it shouldn't even be about that. It should be about the predetermined analysis, right? If I trust my analysis, then I should be good. And I 100% trusted that trade. Like, I wasn't worried about that trade at all, but I just managed it wrong for whatever reason, right? Like, I managed it the way that I wanted to manage it instead of just saying, look, if you think it's going up here, why are you even moving your stop loss, right? Because if you think that it's going up here without coming back down, which it never did, I could have just put my stop loss at 235 and held this thing all the way through and just been fine. And that's what I got to work with. That's what I have to work. I have to work, and that has nothing to do with back testing. Has nothing to do with analysts. It just has everything to do with taking the leap. You know what I mean? It's just trusting. It's not even a leap because my analysis be on point. It's just I get into these trades and I just cut them so early, like a little biatch.
Yeesh. That's a big buyer right there. That's a big boy. Oh, that's a big boy. What you gonna do? How you gonna act? How you gonna act, buyers? How you gonna act?
Somebody could do this.
What? This is a big buyer. 143. How you gonna act?
143.
How you gonna act?
Oh, yeah. On the left side?
Yeah.
It says 253 on mine.
Oh, well, damn. How you gonna act? How you gonna act?
Well, shit, you heard me. Yeah, I think we at least got to hit 400, right? We at least got to get to the previous day high. This is the other range that we're tapping into right now. If we break this range, oh boy, it's about to be explosive. All right, shorts into 37750 would be my next area to look for shorts. This is that 50% tap of the previous range, high to low. You look all the way to the left. This is the high that brought us here. This is the high that brought in the low. Well, or lack thereof. Honestly, this high didn't actually accomplish shit. So I don't expect for it to hold. But if we're gonna, if the Bears are gonna defend, this is their first area they definitely need to defend. A double top there for the sweep of that high right there could bring some selling pressure here. Let's see.
How you gonna act? How you gonna act?
Justin is still trying to figure out how someone's going to act.
Hey, yo, I don't know. That's probably because somebody said. Probably.
Yeah. You have a tendency to make people be like, "Hey, yo, what the?"
I mean, you definitely have said some stuff in the past. Let's not just put this on me now.
I mean, I have.
You definitely said some very questionable stuff.
You got a much deeper track record with the, the other team. We'll call it that.
The other team, huh?
Batter up.
Oh no.
Like
no track record.
Batter up.
No track record there.
Yeah.
None. Zero. Nada. Zilch.
Here come the sellers. All right. Giggity. All right, 377.50 worked like a charm up there. 15 second, we just broke below structure at 64. I'll be waiting on a little bit of a retest here to try some shorts back up here. I'd definitely entertain some shorts up here. Gotta see us put in a lower high though. I like the break, the change of character on a smaller time frame. Just want to see if we can put the lower high in here. Says size down, go to 5 micros. He said, and I'm already at 5 micros, bruh. It ain't the size, it's me. I'm already at. It's a me problem. It ain't the size. I don't know. I just, like I said, when they don't run fluid, that's why I just love when the VIX is super high. When the VIX is this small, when the VIX is this low, it just, everything is just so choppy. But when they don't run fluid, like, it just makes me so uneasy. But the reality is you can only lose what you're willing to risk. So, like, that uneasiness should be trumped by the fact that my risk is controlled, right? That's my only problem. Like, I know all of that, but I still end up betting the trades too soon. Yeah, VIX still selling down. This thing ain't about to sell off no time soon. The VIX is getting lower.
It's push
the highs. The VIX is pushing down lower.
This push-up's getting real aggressive right here.
Man.
Really aggressive.
They try to push through that previous range that brought them down here. There's this.
There's a little sweepity sweep, but came right back up.
I will not touch shorts as long as the VIX is this low. At the lowest point of the day. Nope.
Yeah.
Squeezy McSqueezy. All right, this is the 50% tap. Let's see if the Bears want to defend up here. It would make sense for the Bears to defend up here. Let's see if they want to.
I gotta be so bad right now.
I'm in the shorts at 67.50, looking for a push down at 320.
What was that, Pip? What was that, Pip? Something about not wanting to short up here, Pip? What?
Did you take the short? Yeah. Did you take the short?
We'll see.
Come on, don't start pulling back. Give me 320. No. No. Go to 320. Yeah, shut up. You just shut up. All right, I'm out. No. I'm not leaving. I had to take the chain in silence. Yeah. Come on, man. Go to my profit target. Don't do me like this. Don't do this. Oh, they look so angry. Look at them. They just don't wait and they like, hey, Hobbs in, bro. Hobbs in. What's his target? 320, bro. 320. 320? Is this dude a clown? Yeah, bro. But he in though. Get him, bro. All right, I did secure 50% at the lows, guys. I'm not stupid, but I really want this profit target. I need it for my psyche. Come on. It's literally just 50 points, bro. It's really not that hard. We're in a bullish market, I know. Yes, I know.
Stop being the voice of reason, Valdez.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to shut the fuck up. How about that, Valdez? What Valdez is saying is, Hobbs, I'm long here, so you need to get the fuck out. That's what he's really saying, Hobbs. I'm actually long, so.
It was at 355. I got in a little late. Yeah, I got in on the break.
Right, you got in at what, Jonah? Bruh, how you gonna beat me, bro? I got in at 367.75, bro. Oh, you got in on the initial push up. You know, I gotta wait till I see that drop first. And then once I see us come back up, then I give it. Yeah, and I saw the double top too. I was like, nope, I ain't falling for that. I need to see the break of structure first. So I dropped down. When I dropped down to the 15 second, the break of structure looked so much cleaner. So once I got the break of structure, I jumped in. But I knew, I felt like 320 was a good ask, right? I feel like the market could pull back into 320. So we'll see what happens. I took 50% of the position off at the low, and now I'm holding the remainder of the contracts here. That makes me feel a little better. 367.75. You shut up. You ain't been on my team this whole time. He said, what you mean? This 15-minute candle looks ugly.
Yeah, it's not looking good. I'm at break even.
Justin was talking all that shit.
I know.
It's a scalp, bro. It's a scalp. No, I know it's a scalp. I was just praying that we can get down to 320. Yeah.
I got late. I did get 20, but yeah.
Bro, the market can give us 320. Yeah, I mean, we ain't. At least give me one more chance to get out, please. Pretty please. Yeah, I really like the activity up here. Like I wasn't really tripping off of it. I think we're gonna come down, at least give me my target. Where's VWAP at?
Yeah, 11.
11? That makes sense.
Yeah, that's where all the consolidation's at.
Go to 11. Just tap me out first. Come tap me out. I would not be adding to this. I mean, I would take it right here, but yeah, we just pulled back. Yeah, we just came back up. That's why I'm not even tripping, bro. I'm at break even. I've already secured my profit on the trade. I mean, I'm chilling. Oh, bro, trust me, I've gotten my fair share of ads in the last few days. Yeah, you should, because I'm in it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, CJ, that's a big boy there. That's crazy. Okay, I got what you saying. I was talking about. I said that's a big buyer, not big boy. So that's a big buyer right there. Anyway, fear of losing. I'm scared in every trade. Facts. John Lowe said. John said fear of losing. I'm scared in every trade. So you have a fear.
Yeah.
Of
losing, yeah.
And you're scared in every trade. John Lowe says new features.
How do I take partials with one contract? You can't.
Yeah, you can't take partials with one contract.
Unless you trade micros. Right? If you trade 10 micros, then you can. If you're talking one mini contract, you gotta trade the micro contract. This is a higher low being put in right here, boys. I don't like this.
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay.
So is gold good to trade Sunday nights? It's good to trade every night. I swear it always moves
every
up.
night at 9:30, bro. Book the appointment. You can book it between 8:30 and 9:30. Y'all might want to pull up that GC chart, bro. Just go back and look. You don't believe me? Just go check it out. Just go check it out. Check him out.
I might regret that sale.
You keep getting in super late, bro. You're making that shit a habit. That 355 tap is way too late to be in. That shit fucks up your trade. Yeah. That should be fucking up your trade. You gotta pull that trigger.
That was a little late.
Because you get 55, you're so uncomfortable when it pulls back, you're gonna be extremely uncomfortable. But you want to see that momentum come in and you keep waiting on that momentum. Maybe go down to a smaller time frame. Right? Like, because that's go ahead. Yep. You're waiting on too much stuff to enter the trade, and then you find yourself entering in. Look on the 15 second and look at your entry. On the 15 second, you're entering in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles into the trade. Basically, when the trade's about to get ready to pull back, you're entering. What's your confirmation criteria at the high for entry? I know what you're looking for to be interested. I just don't know what your confirmation is to enter the trade. Like, what are you looking for specifically out of the candlesticks?
No, I was looking for the low to break. I see there's an inverse head or there's regular head and shoulders there. I just got to my screen late. That's all. Trying to luster with it because my Topstep X screen, unfortunately, was behind my my NQ Bookmap screen. So when I went, I was like, oh fuck, and then
you got ready to be ready to trade.
Yeah, it was a mistake on my part. I had my other screen up, and that was my mistake. So that's why I got a little bit of later entry. To get into that specific trade, that wasn't my ultimate confirmation. That was just my entry signal. Once the low was broken with the amount of volume that I saw coming into the market.
Which low at what time? Not the 10:01 low. You're talking about the low at
the low at 11 o'clock. Once that candle low got broken, so my entry should have been like 64.50-ish area, 63 at 11.
Oh, okay. So you were gonna wait. Okay, so 64.75 would have been your entry.
Yeah, something like that.
So what I would say is your entry should be the candle at 11, the top of that candle, because that's the candle. Remember, I kept saying we broke the structural low at 64.50, right? We broke that structural low with the candle at 10.56, right? So the next time I'm not taking that short. I'm waiting until we come back up, right? And as soon as I see that structural break, I go down to the 15-second and I look for the Fibonacci retracement, the 50%, right? On the 15-second. So once I identify the 15-second fib, that level set at 371. And I called it out on the stream. I was like, look, we come back in 371, we reject, I'm in. If we come now, if you look at 371 on the smaller time frame, on the 15-second, you'll see why I entered at 367, right? Somewhere in that candle is where I want to be entering, because you see how we printed that doji candle at 11 o'clock and 45 seconds? See that? That's where you want to enter, bro, because where you're entering is you're entering inside that drop candle, right? And then, like you said, technical difficulties or whatever, like if you got the trade set up and you know exactly where you want to be, like you gotta be on that shit, because those little moments, those little time, like if this trade stops me out for break even because I was in so early, right? I'm not really tripping because I was able to take profit because I was up so much, right? And then these last contracts, if the market gives me what I want, I can hit my profit target and double up, right? But it's because of my entry. Because of your entry, price came right back to that level. That ended up being literally the low. It was the break of the low, which basically becomes support, becomes resistance. So the market's going to come back up and use it as resistance. So your entry was basically right at resistance. That's why it's going to be a little bit difficult to hold those. Like it's hard for me to hold too, but I'm making it my mission to hold this trade to profit target, not the whole position, just a good percentage of the position to profit target or break even, right? Because that's the type of trader I want to be, right? I don't want to be a scalper. It's not me. This is where I want to be. So is gold good? Okay. Those 1050 macro shorts not meant to be a long stay. Quick trip down, call it a day. Oh no, I'm not staying in long. I'm not staying. Deacon Hobbs, we missed you in church last night. We still prayed for you. Oh, y'all didn't send up enough prayers. Trust me, y'all didn't send up enough. Y'all didn't send up enough prayers, man. Bro, I don't know if Pippi told you, man, but he should have threw out a prayer for me in church yesterday. Took exactly the same trade. Dope. He should have told y'all what happened to me, right? What happened to me. I love my wife. Y'all know that. That's my queen, right? Like the reason why I'm able to do what I can do, right? So that's a disclaimer, right? But last night I set an alarm every night, between like 7:30 and 8:30, which is 8:30, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, right? And I do that so I can go play gold, and it allows me to just focus on the family while my gold trade isn't there yet, right? Normally my wife is just like, yeah, go trade. Like, you got it, you good. Last night, you know, her, my daughter, my son, they cooked, right? And when they cook, I'm supposed to clean. Whoever cooks, the other person's clean the kitchen. Since all of them help cook, they were like, well, you got to clean the kitchen, Daddy. I'm like, all right, cool. I got y'all. So I get up because my alarm goes off and she looks at me like, you ain't going to do that kitchen? I'm like, I'll do it when I get back from the office, like once I get done trading. And she still looked at me. You know, that look like, you better get up and do that kitchen right now. So I was like, you want me to do the kitchen? You know what I mean? Before I go trade? She's like, well, yeah, because you probably fall asleep afterwards. I was like, all right. Long story short, I missed out on like a 40-point trade on gold while I was doing the dishes. So she was sad about it. I was sad about it. It sucked. But you know, it is what it is. Shit happened. I could have done a bunch of different things, bro. That's why I told her, I said, it's not your fault. I said, I'm just upset because I was headed to trade. And then like, it kind of threw me off that you wanted me to do the kitchen. You know what I mean? Like it's not her fault. It's 100% not her fault, but I'm blaming her. You know, as a trader, you find anybody to blame. You like, nope, it's your fault. You know, so yeah. Oh, bro, every time I drop the kids off, I miss a big trade. Damn them kids, man. Damn them kids. I can't stand y'all. Look, every time it would be the winter time to take them to school, I can't wait till it get warm so y'all can ride y'all bike. And then I be talking shit to my son. I be like, look at this trade. Look at this. You know how much money this is? He said, I'm sorry that you have to drop your kids off. Shut up. Get smart with me, boy. It's hot. Just don't talk to me. It's too hot outside. Just don't talk. All right. I don't think that we're going to get this pushed down here. Getting a little bit concerned with my trade. Yeah, I'm still in it. I'm gonna cut this. I don't think it's the best area to be short in this market. It doesn't matter. I'm out of the trade. If this thing wants to push, it can push down without me. I know I'm counter trend trading, and I'm kind of the scalp has kind of ran its course. Once we push down to 325 and we got it's counter the current trend. It may not be counter the ultimate trend, right? But the ultimate. Yes, that's true. I agree. I give you that. But at the same time, it's just the bears have not been able to push price down inside of this consolidation. So if it wants to push down, I think I'll be okay with cutting this one because I would have rather been on the bullish side. And if the market wants to push down further, I'll look to re-enter bullish. I'll wait for the next macro to set up and then I'll look to see what I can do here. What we got? That was 11:10. All right, yeah, I'll wait for 11:50. Making beef salad tonight. I'm so hungry. Right, you better shut your ass up. Ain't nobody care about no damn 10 o'clock news.
Oh, Lord.
You gotta stop it. Stop it. Yeah.
And it brought no continuation. We went nowhere.
Yeah, it didn't go anywhere. I honestly didn't expect it to go far, but I at least expected 320, bro. Like it came to 325, bro. Watch, it's about to go to 320 right now. Damn, where's Pip? Pip not in here. Okay. Don't go to 320, man. Don't do it, bro. I mean, this thing bounced right up. It was like, no, there will be no selling today, sir. None. It's like when the bulls are in control, bro, like they do not believe in pullbacks, bro. They be like, no. Yeah, like, no. You either get in at these lows or get the F out the way. We're not pulling back, bro. Yeah, y'all must have forgot. It's our market. Nah, I'm glad I went in with the 10 micros, though, because that definitely was a clean trade. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. What are you talking about? I already cut it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's why you was talking about that was a good ad spot.
oh, he's in the shorts? Yeah.
He was.
No, I cut mine too. I was in 10 micros, and like I said, when we came down to that low, I was like, you know what? I'll just take 5. And if we move up, so be it. You know, I think I managed it well, considering the trend is so strong to the upside. Damn, don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. I can't look. I want you to see how I felt. You sound like that dude from was it 5 Heartbeats? He's like, you ain't gonna be shit, cause I ain't shit. That's not a disclaimer. That's damage control. Yeah, that's definitely damage control. My wife loves me. She knows I love her, y'all. You know I'm just messing. Hopefully that's a sweep. I don't know. I know I'm not interested in the rest of this price action until this next macro. 1150 is the next macro, so I'll wait. Don't worry, I'll wait. Bro, gold never came to where I wanted to trade it. Look at this thing. Just took the F off. Bro, no. So it came down to 23.38. I wanted it to come down to 23.30 or I wasn't touching it. And I looked over again and was like, oh, so she's gonna rally 10 points? I bet. I'm definitely not touching it. The crazy part is while I was crying about the long that I missed, right? While I was in tears and suffering, watching the market, I literally sat here and watched it rally. Like I was stuck. You ever missed a trade and you just sit there and look at the screen like, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Like, I was stuck. Luckily I didn't have Bookmap because I probably would have puked, right? I had Bookmap, but I don't have gold as a instrument. But low key, while I'm sitting here, nah, you can't. You gotta pay for it. It's like extra. I was like, bro, y'all get enough money. But you know what I mean? But so while I'm looking at the gold trade go higher and higher and higher, not one time did I think to myself, you could just short this. Like you could just short this, and it's probably gonna come right back down the other way. Maybe not as smooth, but it's gonna come right back down. So as I'm looking at this, all I had to do was get short on the retest of 23.69 and could have held this thing all night long, and I would have made the same money. So again, I can't blame my wife for that. I can, but it don't make it true. Yeah. No, it's gonna be all week. All week I'm gonna be dwelling on it. Bro, I couldn't sleep last night, bro. I woke up at 2 a.m. I was like, gold. Gold.
Oh, this market's about to send.
Oh, I'm ready for it tonight. Best believe I'm ready for it tonight. I think maybe we consolidate. Again, we got one more macro. We got a couple more macros left.
We're building 30-minute demand right here. It's about to be a rally-based rally. Look at the 30-minute.
Yeah, the 30-minute looks disgusting.
Nah, we're about to go.
Yeah.
And we just consolidated down there for like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're probably about to rally up out of here. Yeah, nah, definitely not looking for longs or shorts.
Facts. Like if I do anything, it'll be short in the market. There's no way I'm long in the market all the way up here. And when I say all the way up here, I am aware that the next rally could very well take us to 486. But you got to show me, cuz. Yep. Yeah, I think look at the 15-minute. We really just we really ain't going nowhere either direction. If you look at the yep, exactly. That's more so where I'm at with it today. Just don't expect 100-point, 200-point moves. Like just get in, get your 30 and bounce. Come back tomorrow fresh. I'm Gucci. Green.
Nah, this looks like This was like the same thing we did down at the low. Looks like we're about to do the same thing up at the high. Unless this thing wants to go. It's just this consolidation.
Yeah. Ultimately, we're just doing this shit right here, guys. Like, bro, options get smoked right now, bro. They are getting smoked. You gotta win. That's this man. TMI was on his channel yesterday. He put a video out. I haven't watched the TMI video in God knows how long, but I just so happened to be while I was watching my gold trade go absolutely incredibly insane that I wasn't in. I was like, well, let me search the internet so I don't get FOMO, right? And I honestly didn't even have FOMO. I was just angry because it would be different if I had FOMO because I didn't know the trade was coming. Like I analyzed the hell out of that trade. Right, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. But anyway, I was watching him and he was talking about how he made like over 4,000% playing zero DTEs on Tesla. 4,000% zero DTE means he made like $200. He said, yeah, because they were only $10. So he could have bought 100 of them for $400. Everything has zero DTEs. Oh yeah, you know what? It might have been a Friday. Yeah, it was Friday because Tesla got some big news at the end of the day, right? They got. I think Elon announced that they were coming out with the robo-taxi or some shit like that. Look at Gold going ham. I hate you, Gold. Yeah, he announced that they were coming out with the robo-taxi, but before that, it was some bad news that hit. So like him and his team, I guess they played the puts. He was in the zero DTEs, but he said he had bigger positions too. He just showed the ones that were up like 4,000%. I was like, that's crazy. But that's what I'm talking about. Like when the VIX goes higher and really starts pushing 30, 40, 50, 60 in the summer, oh, that's when you want to be in options, in my opinion. When that VIX starts shooting up that high, yeah, that's when it's game time. But yeah, this is just a range day, guys. When you look at the red lines on my screen right now, we're just in between 375 and 240. That's the range. So if you're asking the market for more than that today, it may come, but it may not come till later, right? In either direction. But you notice how the sellers are stepping in at the highs, the buyers are stepping in at the lows because we're just consolidating. And we all know why we're consolidating, right? We know why. CPI this week. You know what they're waiting for. So don't don't come into the market with this. Huh? You yelling at me for? Oh, okay. I like 50 for the entry. I don't like 35. We're at the low right now. Doom, 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 doom. Very nice, very nice. It's still not my entry, but I like it. I like it that it worked out, but I don't like continuation entries because they usually do exactly that and then sweep right back up. I like if I don't get the entry at 48, roughly about 34. I mean, what is this? 48, 56 to about 48. I'm not taking it. Oh, there's my profit target hit. Mother. Oh, damn.
It's about to go plus 30. Hold up.
Oh my God. No, Justin's probably short. That's the only time.
No, I'm not sure. I didn't get back in. There was that nice double top though at the level Valdez got in originally. Nah, my wife is making ice cream right now, so I'm on mute because I feel like. Can y'all hear that? Can y'all hear the machine or no? Oh, you can't? Okay, cool. No, I muted myself because I thought it was gonna be loud. Yeah, it's a don't at me. It's called a Ninja Creamy.
It wouldn't have been called a Ninja Creamy on this show. I'd have been like, look, it's just an ice cream maker. Y'all can look it up yourself. I'm not saying it. It's made by Ninja. It's an ice cream maker. Y'all can look it up. Y'all don't have to figure that out for me. I think this may be long here. Hang on. It's my level? Yeah, this is my level. Shit. No. It's because we in a range, baby. We in a range. Man, this is. I ain't in the longs yet, but I'm definitely about to entertain these joints.
I ain't touching this market. This market is just on some BS right now.
He said, "Yeah, I'm done for the day. I ain't touching this shit." Yeah, I got one more in me.
Yeah, I wanted to trade my funded today, but I couldn't put the risk on.
He said, "Don't, man."
Nah, I didn't. I couldn't put the risk on.
It came right on the 15th. So if you request on the 1st, it usually come like on the 15th. It take 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. I told you. I said with Apex, you got to get consistent payouts for it to be worth it, because if not, you're gonna be waiting. Wait. Yep.
Yeah, that's exactly what
it's all good. I just feel like if you're not gonna get multiple accounts, then it's not as good as you would want it to be. Like, I feel like if you're gonna wait and you're getting 10, 20,000, like, yeah, a couple racks, you feel like, yeah. Yeah, I know. I ain't mad at you. Just saying.
You do pay one fee for you do pay one fee for each account. What do you mean? Oh, you mean the size, yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
Yes.
Apex, if the bigger the account, the more you got to pay for activated. Yeah, the bigger the size, they be like, yeah. So you want 300K, huh? All right, that'll be.
Which is crazy when you think about it, because
it doesn't make any sense. It should be the same price.
It should.
They try to recoup their money because they know they're not charging a lot for the account. So that activation fee, that's where they make their money back. If you think about it,
yeah.
Right? If you getting in,
no, they definitely make more on evals. But
I mean, do they though? Because I mean, lately they've been doing this 1-day pass thing. Think about how many people been passing this shit on some YOLO shit and then blow the account the next day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Well, the way I'm looking at it is on the eval, right? You're only getting, right? Let's say I buy 20 evals, right? Let's just do the math. I buy 20 evals at 90% off, or even 80% off. If I buy 20, right? That's the max that I should be buying, right? Obviously, you can buy more if you lose or whatever. But let's say you buy 20, they're $18 a piece. It's $360, right? Or no, is that 20 times 20? Yeah, about $360. So I buy 20 evals and I get them all funded, right? And I pay for them all to be funded. That's another $2,000 to pay for all of them to get funded. If I blow all of them and still got to buy more funded, I think they're making money both ways, because people, and I think the reason why is because of the new promotion of 1 day to pass, right? Because when people see 1 day to pass, it's easy to pass, right? But you come in doing that same DJing shit you did to get here, it's easy to lose it too. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Oh, mother! All right. I'm done for the day, guys. That's it. Oh my.
Hey, Pip, the shorts though.
Oh, shut up, Justin. You didn't take the shit.
I didn't hold it, but nah,
No,
I got it.
That's what I'm
got
saying. Like, what
I
are you
got
talking about?
I got
What are you
it. But
talking about?
still, I'm just saying the area was right. The area
But
was
you
right.
didn't take the trade, bro.
I did take the trade. I stopped myself out the trade.
The idea that you could come over here and start bragging about the trade as if
I'm not bragging about the trade like I took it. I'm saying that the area was correct. I got into the trade. I just got stopped out, but my area was there.
I mean, I blame Yvonne for me cutting my trade. He told me that this price range was only a scalp. I was long at the top. I mean, I was short at the damn top. Jeez, please. I let them off the hook. The Bears the Bears are who they thought we were. Oh God. Well, the first one. Well, okay. So we're saying the same thing. I just looked at where 130 is. Okay. So where you say 130 price, right? I look at the candle, the low at 114 and the high at 1201. And that's where I bring my fib to in between that range. So when I saw 37750, I said that's the short, right? If you're gonna get short, that's the short. But I needed to see more. So when we tapped into 1033 candle, came in and broke structure, right? And then we swept that candle. I waited for structure to break one more time below 364.50. And when we came back up, that's when I took the short. Basically, a little bit more confirmation and then to push down. But to me, we need to, if this, I feel like these are the longs though, right here, right? Like if we're gonna push down further, we need to do it right now. If not, this thing's coming right back up. Yep, and here come the bulls.
I wasn't gonna get short on the first initial push though. I was looking for I wanted to see us sell first, come back up. We broke that high, so I was like, okay, well, I'm not getting short there because we already broke the high. But when we came back down and when we consolidated and we put in that candle at 1055 where we broke that high and then failed, that's when I started getting interested in shorting the market. And then we came down, we came back up, and then I was like, okay, shorts are valid now. I had to wait for that to be my confirmation, not the initial. All I was saying was that area was an area where I was looking for shorts. That's all. What, Jonah? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. They ain't believe in the shorts up there, but it's all good though. It's all good.
Wait, what? Nobody believed in the shorts. Wait, first of all, ain't nobody bullying Justin. He a grown ass man. Second of all, we all agreed in the area. But what I disagree with, you said I don't just get short to get short. And I was like, nah, that's the bullshit, right? Like, that's what I was talking about. I didn't care about the analysis. I actually agreed with the analysis. Where I stepped in was when you said, well, I'll just get you short when I see selling. Shit, that's really one of your pet peeves. Yeah, I think we all knew the area was there. I mean, and like you said, like the criteria was there, the level was there, everything was there. I just needed to see a little bit more. And then when I saw it, I think you need to start utilizing those lower time frames again, at least when you get to your entry criteria, right? Like to see your entry criteria sooner. Because if you use the smaller time frames, that entry criteria will still be there. It'll just be, you'll see it sooner. That's it. Because time is fractal, right? So if you're at your area of interest, like get prepared to trade. You know what I mean? Like throw up your screens and then go down to your lower time frame and just what I do is I draw that line on the 1 minute where I want to get in or where I'm looking for things to happen, and then I drop down to the smaller time frames and I get the better entries there, right? Like because the entries show up so much faster down there, especially during the New York session. You know what I mean? All that volume comes in. So I don't know. I just think that trade could have been a really good trade for you, but because of your entry. Because of your entry, you know what I mean? Like it ended up being like the trade that got away, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's all good.
All right.
It's gonna
your opinion matters. I hate this dude so much. Assholes. I hate this dude. Why is this little order doing? What is this order doing down here? What am I doing with this thing? What's happening? Yeah, bro, I got a short down here or a long down here. What are you doing down here? Get rid of you. You trying to get me. They trying to get me, bro. I don't remember putting that there at all. Man, speaking of, if I'd have went down to the 15-second on that long, God, dang. Valdez, you see the entry on the 15-second for the long? Oh, he got me deafened. The entry on the 15-second was at 242 for the longs at the low. That jump was beautiful. Yeah, look on the 15-second. The candle at 8:40 our time. 8:40 and 15 seconds. 8:40 and 30 seconds. I like the 15-second. He said, "I don't even want to review on the 15-second." Don't you tell me that? It's so clean during the day. It's not. I don't use it during like Tokyo and London. Maybe London if I trade London, but like I don't really use it for anything but the New York section. Yeah, our time. So it would have been not 8:45. Yeah, 8:40 and 30 seconds. That candle and then the retest candle at 8:40 and 45 seconds. That was the entry right there. That's that higher low being put in. That's true. All right, Bears. What y'all gonna do here? They gonna dump it or what? Valdez still in his thing. He recording right now. We about to get the real video today, baby. I think he's still in.
Oh yeah, because he got in at like
he's been in since 30, at 30, 38, 30, 11, whatever 11, level.
30.
Yeah. Really nice trade. Oh, body bag in this thing. Let's go, Valdez. Let's go. Are we gonna get the sell-off that we got yesterday or Friday? I told you it's about the Bears, bro. Hey, Johnny, you know I'll switch up quick on y'all ass. Yeah, whoever's winning, my team. Yeah, who's winning today? Bulls, Bears, I'm on that team. I couldn't have held this long anyway. Oh yeah, no, you can't hold this long. That's it. Don't even think about it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Dang, I look stupid for cutting that short and the long. I had the top and the bottom. Cut them both. How you get the top? How do you get the? All right, I need it. And I missed gold. Yeah, shut up. Bro, I had the top and the bottom. Damn, I just realized that. I'm like, did I really have the top and the bottom and cut both trades? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go take a nap after this, fellas. Dang, both of my trades today, banger entries, horrible execution. Yeah, I'm 2-0, but not by a lot of profit. That was I cut 50% of it though. Which I mean, I made money, but I don't know. It's again things I just gotta work on. When I'm getting these, yeah, I'm getting my stretches on right now. Yeah, that's stretching right now. Man, I'm already getting tired, man. I'm about to go lay back down. I'm tired. I got a headache, stressed out from that gold trade I missed. Yeah, I told my wife the same thing. It still didn't make me feel no better when I woke up this morning. I was like, that actually happened last night. That happened. Yeah, bro. All right, man. What's up?
It's about to be noon. You ready to shut this down?
Yep, I am ready to go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you witnessed me catch the bottom, you witnessed me catch the top, and you witnessed me take too much off the top. So maybe tomorrow will be a better day. Still green on the day, no worries, money-wise, anything like that. But Lord, missed opportunities. Jay, what you got?
Yeah. Stop consolidating, market. Please. Just make clean moves. This market.
You better get used to this.
This market consolidated way too much today to go pretty much back to where we started. So I don't know. Let's hope for better days tomorrow. But Wednesday should be good. So we might have one more day of this BS, and then on Wednesday we should be good. So stay patient.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have a good day. Please make sure you tip the barbers on your way out. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.